Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to wind your Omega mechanical or automatic watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this watch. So if you want to wind your watch, first what you want to do is set the time, and you do that by pulling the crown all the way. After you have done so, make sure to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. After you have set the time, simply push the crown all the way back in. Now when you are in the 0 position, so the crown all the way pushed back in, this is where you can actually wind the watch. And you can do that by winding it to the right, so also in a clockwise direction. And you can also hear the watch wind. Now you can wind your watch around 20 to 30 times in order for your watch to be fully winded. If you have a mechanical Omega watch, just like this one, you need to wind it every 24 to 48 hours. Or if you have an automatic watch and you wear it daily, so you wear it non-stop, the rotor inside will actually wind the watch for you until you need to also wind it in order to have more power reserve. So that was the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.